What's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. Today we out here in the garage. I gotta get this car at least back driving. Even if I don't do the booster yet, I gotta get it back on the road, man. I just miss it, for one, and two. I mean, do we really need a reason more than that? But two being, I want to make sure everything else is good before I go straight into throwing the turbo on. So I got to do this radiator today. So do this radiator, I can start it back up. You know, limp it to the car wash. Just do like a little late night drive. Go real easy, so I can wash it. After that, we'll start working on the mock-up, or we'll finish the mock-up. As it stands right now, turbo's on, manifold's on, downpipe is on. None of this stuff has changed, but it was definitely time to do an update video. Still need to get O2 sensors added, wideband added to it. But after I replace this radiator, I want to do my oil cooler and my transmission cooler while keeping it in A, just to get those on the car and make sure they work good before I throw power at it, throw more heat at it, mess around and have a tragedy. Started last night or yesterday. You can see this is the main reason why I wanted to get rid of it. When my heater core went out, I decided, I just put water hose water in there to get it home. Never switched it out, so you got a lot of just dirty ass water in here. So stay tuned. So last time I shot a video with the unboxing stuff, I just showed my G Plus oil cooler, but I didn't like the quality of the video. You can tell I just woke up. Here's the sandwich filter plate. You got some nice thick hoses. We got this to attach the filter to, and we got our Denso radiator. I gotta get a tool to fix these little things, and we got a Hayden transmission cooler. Like I said, man, my priority is to get this shit on, so I can at least start driving the car again, taking it to wash, start it back up. Let it run every once in a while till I get a booster done. Till I can get the booster done. Said I'm thinking about just going to a junkyard and getting one of these. But I might do the delete. Chase Bays have one, and I've been driving without a booster, without ABS for so long. The booster worked, but not ABS and stability control. I've been doing it for so long now. I wouldn't mind it. But yeah, let's get this radiator out. Get it on. Try to get this new one done today. Radiator is out. We gotta take the fan housing off. The radiator's in the back, so just a little. Right, so here goes the new one, and I'm sure there wouldn't be any things like this at all if I got the Mishimoto, but I don't see if I'm going Mishimoto, it's gonna be an upgrade, not same level. Anyway, but like I said, the rust, the water, while I'm switching, got the fan assembly off. Just gotta make sure everything bolts up, and we'll go from there. Everything fits so far. Gotta go inside and watch this Eagles game. Alright, we back outside. Stop working just to watch my Eagles get thrashed. It ain't our year. We're rebuilding. But anyway, I got the radiator on. I got some electric cleaner I'm gonna use to make sure all these plugs are good. Old one's over here, super rusty. But yeah, I gotta get this thing back drivable, so I can at least limp it to the car wash. Make sure everything is good. It's been easy so far, man. I'm gonna have to work on this transmission cooler mounting. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do that yet. Let me show you the box while I got it. So it's a Hayden cooler. Yeah, so let's get this new one in. Get these plugs all cleaned out. I'm gonna keep working. All right, so let's try this again. Rubber mounts, you gotta make sure those are actually on there. I put it in and I'm wondering why I still had some elbow room. Should drop right on there like that. Okay, since I had to rotate the lower neck down there, I knew I was gonna have to cut this. There's a kink in it about right there. And if I go underneath the sway bar, oh come on. If I go underneath the sway bar, there's a kink right there. So I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit. Like I said, if it doesn't work out, I'll have to get a AN line for it. Once I get this part cut, I can start working on the transmission cooler line, which I'll probably put on that side. If I can put all the coolers and shit over there, I will. Only because the turbo is gonna be on up over here in that area. So just an update. Cut the line. Got no nuts on either side. I'm planning on replacing this bottom tray too. Car bottomed out when I first lowered it. So all this shit'll be new in the front. But we're making decent progress considering stopped in the middle to watch the Eagles. So I'm gonna mess around with this transmission cooler a little bit, and then we're going to end the video in a little bit. This is where the transmission cooling part of the radiator is, but obviously you gotta add this big joint. I'm gonna do both of them over there on the intake side, just to stay away from the turbo. But either I bought an extra bracket, and then this is what came with it. Yeah, man, appreciate y'all supporting. Gotta get better at doing videos on my own. So here we are. Hey, Pitch Vision out.